Imagine a classic vanilla custard, but we've taken it to another level. This is vanilla Cremeux. It's almost like a stabilised custard, which we whisk up to give the most incredible texture to. So you could pipe that into an eclair, you could add it into a cake, but if you love vanilla, you need to try this because it will be your new favorite vanilla filling. The first part is what we're going to use to stabilize this Cremeux. So I've got powdered gelatin, and we're going to add cold water over the top. Then we're going to take our cream, we're going to add the beans from a fresh vanilla pod. You could also use vanilla bean paste. Generally heat the cream then to egg yolks. We're going to add sugar and whisk until it's thick. About 30 seconds is enough. Take that cream off the heat, we're going to slowly pour it over those egg yolks, whisking constantly. Now this is really the only point where it could possibly go wrong for you, so pay attention. What we're going to do is add that mixture back into the pan. We're going to put it on a medium-low heat, and we're going to whisk it constantly until it reaches 80 to 82 degrees Celsius on a digital thermometer. The risk is, right, that you scramble the eggs. That would be a disaster. We don't want that to happen, all right? So whisk constantly, don't take a phone call or walk away. Your arm will get a little bit tired, but then we pass it through a sieve and we add in that gelatin. I've whisked through the gelatin just to make sure it's completely dissolved. I've placed a sheet of cling film on the surface. We're gonna chill this for about 6 hours or ideally overnight. The next day, we're gonna whisk that mixture up. It's gonna initially look a little bit lumpy, but it will pull together in about 1 to 2 minutes into a nice smooth mixture. Then it's ready to be scooped, ready to be piped, whatever you wanna do with it. All I've got left to say is you need to try this, okay? So click that link in my bio, get the full written recipe. It's on my website, it's completely free. Just don't scramble the eggs, right? I like scrambled eggs for breakfast, but not with my vanilla Cremeux.